Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we're talking about the SIACOIN. As you can see here, SIACOIN is on the screen. If you look the price of SIACOIN, so the currently price of the SIACOIN is about 0.031911 USD dollar is the current price of SIACOIN friends. And if we look the change occurs in SIACOIN, so the change occurs in the SIACOIN is about very good, positive 3.03% change occurred this time in the cryptocurrency markets, and something like that. The last 1 hour, 1 day change has become a very low change occurred in a SIACOIN in this time frame, negative 0.3%, which are not a big fast occur in the SIACOIN. They easily recover this kind of change because they are very low change, 0.3% as very less change. So soon they recover this kind of change friends. Now the last 1 week changes goes very better friends. Very bad friends. Sorry. As you can see here, a lot of cryptocurrencies falls down. Every cryptocurrency falls down. Except of 5 or 4 coins, they go only and only positive. Except of these coins, all cryptocurrencies market falls down friends. There's only one reason, because of SafeMoon, because of Dogecoin, and because of Pandora coin. A lot of people want to buy these coins because the price of these coins are very low, and absolutely it's the best investment for all of you because the price is low and they only take a jump in the future friends. Now let's see about the SIACOIN more details. Before seeing the more details, kindly subscribe now Abuse Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now the last 1 day price prediction chart on the screen friends. If we look the currently price prediction, so at this time the last 1 hour market change goes very better. As you can see here, only and only move upper friends. So now if we look the currently change occurred the last 1 day change, so the last 1 day change is about negative 0.32%. so if they continue this kind of change, so soon they recover this kind of change and they change become positive friends. The highest price of SIACOIN in the last 1 day period, so the highest price about 0.034657 USD dollar is the high price of SIACOIN in the last 1 day friends. Now the current price in the cryptocurrency market of SIACOIN is about 0.031906 USD dollar is the current price of SIACOIN friends. So what's the next move occur in the SIACOIN? I think only and only positive change occur in SIACOIN because the previous yesterday of the SIACOIN goes very bad. So now it's time to happy you, it's time to celebrate. Now they are in this time they are only take a jump friends. So enjoy it and subscribe Abuse Tech channel for more news and updates.